No matter how busy a person is, but if one really cares, they will always first time for their children. Are you able to read your child's thought? Problem in studies? Looks easy? Do you want to understand the language of interaction with your child? Are you ready to see the magical experience of our workshop and psychological workouts and mind games? Be connected with me on Born Debut platform for playing games of communication skills and study techniques to make your life happy and even stronger life skills. Month of May. Month of May is always hot. How we can utilize this hot corona month? Can we utilize this with the concept of hot communication? Oh no, it's not hot discussion. I mean to say, it's an honest, H for honest, O for open, and T for two-way communication. I am Manjusha Bhaskarwar from Born Debut. To understand the techniques and tools, just ask yourself, are you able to listen to each other's non-verbal feelings? Are you able to balance your work life and family life? How many words do you speak in a day with whom? How many hours we spend on social media? Lastly, how many hours we spend with oneself, spouse, your child, your children, your parents? Spending quality time is equally important to feel the magical difference between spending quantity and quality time. We have designed some interesting mind games. Born Debut is a brand with applied art techniques of theater resource, improvisation tools in building experiential method of learning. My 20 years of experience with multiple certification is designed psychological games and tools has given us huge transformational results in our work. Traveling to 6 states, corporate environments, different cities, city culture has given us a wide vision to connect people and guide them. So I have designed and developed wide spectrum of action-based counseling techniques. I believe in harmony in family and will give you harmony in every field of life. So I have designed parenting with career guidance, study techniques, psychometric way of study pattern, inspirational thought building process with colors, art, logical games, presentation skills, vocabulary building. Here you can see the expressions of children of NTPC Bal Bhavan from all India centers. NTPC is one of the Maharatna company and it has many IITian employees. So their vision of study is always one level up. Bal Bhavan children are always from CBSE, ICSE, KV background. With this workshop, parents also get motivated and it add value to their work culture in company. We have taken a Zoom online presentation session on experience of parents of Bal Bhavan committee. We achieved a great success in approaching to the NTPC national level head and for further workshops and mothers ladies club members. I even got one referral from her. This is the strength of magical mind games. For more details, you can follow our YouTube channel Born Debut to understand our style of workshop with Eurokids parents, Zindal Power employees and parents. Here you can see our dazzling star of workshop, Suhani. She has beautifully created many techniques of study pattern with maths as a concept, history learning, poem dramatization and many more. She has created this collage of her activities with one video with her family on her profile also. I will send you video. I have uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. Her parents, especially father, was involved in each and every activity of hers. in spite of his busy schedule with workload at NTPC. Here fathers were involved to play, and now they have discovered a new style of spending time with their children. Lockdown is not so easy for companies also. One day I got a call from a company when he saw my online speech on management college, and there with their special need I designed the program for motivational speech. So my experience was going on and adding values to people and even to me. I made it very interactive, and I am able to interact with people with their solutions. Now we have designed more customized training programs for further improvements of corporates' work culture. My online lecture, Flight to Success for Renaissance College of Management Studies, was happily appreciated by the students and the panelists. This was organized with the collaboration of Gondwana University Management. Building a resume is not as simple as we all know. Moreover, it is difficult to express it in your own words. We have designed workshop for working on this with the title Removing Inhibition with the Right Communication Skills. Communication is based on reading skills, that is trained to methodically read and to understand the given contents. Speaking skills, that you are hearing me, trained to verbalize their thoughts and ideas in the presence of group of people. Listening, very important. Are you listening to me? Yes. Trained to listen and analyze the given content. Vocabulary building, especially we fight many a time with vocabulary building. We work on building the vocabulary through innovative methods, and as per the requirement of the student or employee, we provide more attention and more games. Basic presentation skills, all of us we need now, and because of the challenges of visual online presentations and meetings, we need to train our mind for the combination, that is you are facing only camera, no person is there, and you are visualizing the audience in front of that camera who are watching you. So that is very difficult task. So we can train to prepare small presentation and present into a group of people with online platform also. So our clients from Bangalore, Cognizant employees, NTPC employees and spouse, then BNI members, overseas education students, teachers, even from IIT coaching teachers. Long list, but just I shared some. Now it's time to some questions for you. For example, will it be online? Do you need Zoom? Do we need Zoom or some other media? Will it be too long? Do we need any study material? Really, we are fed up of Zoom TV, Zoom meetings and webinars and sitting on one chair in front of camera, stuck up with the mind, vision, or eyes. So relax. We are not giving such tasks to bother you or to suffer you. We will just post one e-card that is with all the activities given in that e-card. With your perception, you will complete that activity and you will enjoy that activity with working on yourself. Then you will post it on my personal ID, email ID or WhatsApp, wherever you are comfortable. No need to send me all the profile or anything. You just send me your experience with that workout. When you will share the experience of that workout, then you will understand, your mind will understand where you are standing. and that will give you more value addition to your profile, to understand self, to upgrade, which type of certifications you need, which type of opportunities you can grab, and for that opportunities are you able to grab that, present yourself, and are you able to get it. So be tuned with Bond Debut and get connected, registered yourself for summer workshop, online workshop, and